Today we're going to look at how to use the library's catalog. In order to access the library's catalog, please visit Union's library website, uu.edu/library. Then choose the Search Books tab and type in your search terms. Here you can put the title of a book, the name of an author, or a search subject term. I'm going to use The Cross and the Lynching Tree as an example. If I push enter or click the red search box, that will bring up my search results. On the left-hand side, you'll notice filters. This will allow you to choose a book format as well as a location. If you are not located on Union's main campus, it may be helpful to narrow down by choosing Germantown, Hendersonville, MCUTS, or even the Ryan Center. Next, I'm going to try and find my book. Today, I want to find The Cross and the Lynching Tree by James H. Cone. That's my first search result. I see that it's available, but it's located in MCUTS, and I'm here in Jackson. So what can I do? You have two options. First, let's take a look and see if this book might actually be on Union's campus. So I'm going to click the title of the book. This will bring up the option of check availability. If I scroll down, I notice Union has two copies of this book. One is located at MCUTS, and the other is located here in Jackson on the main campus. This book is available. Unavailable books will have a red circle and indicate the due date when the book should be returned to the library. Next, you'll need to use the call number to find the book on the shelves. If you need help finding a book on the shelves, ask a circulation desk worker, or you may also use our How to Find a Book in the Library video, which is linked in the comments. The other option is to request this book to be sent to your campus. This works for any student on any campus. On the library's catalog, you'll also notice a View Description option. If you click that, you'll see the citation information for the book, as well as a table of contents if it's available, and a summary of the book. This may be a summary from the catalog or the publisher. Lastly, if you're virtual, you can use the Browse Shelf option. This allows you to see other books that are around this book in the library on the bookshelves. This is a great option if you're at home and you don't have the ability to come to Jackson's campus. If you have any questions about finding a book in the library or need help with researching, please schedule a research coach appointment today and we'd be happy to help you.